Good morning, dear students. So, I am back again here. So, are ready to learn computer further? So, in the last class, we read about the computer system. Yes, and your first chapter is computer system. So I hope that student you learn the computer definition of computer and full form of computer and what's the parts of computer. So student, so look, today this class we will go deeper and learn some new things about the computer. Okay, so let's have an introduction. First, what is computer? So computer is an electronic device. Yes, student. So computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. It accepts data or instruction as input, and after processing it gives result as output. So this is a input, processing, and then output. Okay student, so this is a cycle of work, computer work. Okay, yeah, so computer is an electronic device. It accepts data or information as input, and after processing and it gives result as output. Okay student, and then after we will talk about the computer, full form of computer. So what is the full form of computer, student? C for commonly, and O for oriented, M for machine, and P for particularly, and U for used for, and that T trade, and E for education, and R for research. Yes student, so this is a full form of computer. Yes, commonly oriented machine, particularly used for trade, education and research. Okay student, so and after we will look the computer parts. So look, this one, this one is a monitor. Okay, student, and then okay, so this is a keyboard. Okay, student, and here is a mouse and most important part of computer, CPU. Okay, student, yes, so this is a CPU. Okay, student, so you know that's in other way speaker, okay, this is speaker, so monitor, this is a output device, this one is output device. Okay, student, and this one is a processing machine, and mouse and keyboard is a input device, and speaker is a output device. It is same thing. Okay, speaker and monitor is output device, and keyboard and mouse is your input device, and that CPU is a processing machine. Okay, student, clear about the parts of computer? And then after, okay, and the mouse have two button. Okay, student, yes, left button and right button. Okay, student, right button and then left button. Okay, that's uses of different way. And then we will look about the working process of computer. Okay, that's clear. And then after, what is input? Okay, so data or instruction student, we will discuss about the input. So what is input? So data or instruction that we enter means feed, just type any key by keyboard, so that into the computer is called input. Data or instruction, data or instruction entered into the computer by input device. Okay, so that's called input and data or instruction entered into computer by input device. Okay, and then after input and after processing student. So the different steps follow by a computer. So to convert the data into meaningful information is called processing. Okay, this is a meaningful information. Processing means meaningful information. Okay, student? Yes, you entered any data, any type information. Suppose you just write the any name. Look, A-M-I-T. Okay, you type the Amit name by keyboard, and this your information or data. After pressing any key by keyboard, so that data goes into processing. Which one key you pressed? Okay, so then after process machine, that's called CPU read that which one you press the button, and which one you enter the data or information. Okay, and then after processing, computer show the data or information as a output device. Yes, okay, so that's after input and processing, and then output, then output student. So you know output. So output is the result of data information, so that we get after processing. Okay, so we get output on different output device like monitor, speaker, okay, and printer. Yes, so here are many example of output device. Yes, and then you know where data or information is stored in storage device. Yes, so then after storage, device. Okay, student. So storage device, that means after getting the result as on output device, so we can store it. It means data or information on different storage device for future use. So like hard disk, student, like example of storage device, hard disk and pen drive and SD card. So here are different example of the storage device. Okay, student, clear? Yes, input, data. This is a process of computer, and the definition of the different part. So input data or instruction entered into a computer by input device, that's called input, and then after you get meaningful information. Okay, and where you got the meaningful information? On output device. So output device is a monitor. Okay, yes, and then your data and information you stored in storage device for future use. Okay, so this is an example of a storage device: hard disk, pen drive, and SD card, etc. Okay, student, clear? And one more things, related to the computer. So what makes a computer powerful? Yes, student, you know that. So what's the make which point computer make a powerful? Yes, then speed and storage, communication and resiliency, versatility, okay, and reliability. So this is a different way of the making a powerful computer. Okay, and what the uses of computer, student? What is the uses of computer? So the creating document, and second performs calculation, performs calculation. So student, you know what is creating document? Just you open the MS Paint and you draw some picture and you draw and you write some text and something later and application, and you write any one line. Okay, and then after you saved the file by your name, yes, in the computer. This is your document. Okay, yeah, so this is a creating document. Sorry. And then after performs calculation, student. So you know that you use the calculation device by computer. So and you use the addition, subtraction, just like, yes, you can do very fast. And that your third point is chatting. You know well about the chatting. You open the just Facebook, and you just send the message to the friend. And 4 is playing media. You can play the game with the computer, and you watch. You can watch the video and listen the music related to the playing media. Okay, this is used for watching the video. Okay, and video and sound, that music. Okay, student, and then video and music, sound, and then after playing game. playing game. Okay, student. So you can use your computer to play different types of games. So then you know what's the etiquettes. So your etiquette is that instruction how to use the computer and what's your schedule. Okay, yes, so it is etiquette, that means always press the key of the keyboard very gently. Okay, and don't switch off the computer directly. Yes student, this is a more important instruction for you. Don't press the direct power button of the computer. Okay, always shut down option use the computer. Okay, and using the starting button. Okay student, so this is an etiquette. Oh my god. And then after, always sit straight while working on computer. ये स्टूडेंट हमेशा कंप्यूटर के सामने सीधे आपको बैठना है. ओके, एंड ऑलवेज प्रेस द की ऑफ द कीबोर्ड वेरी जेंटली. दैट मीन्स आपको जो है प्रेस कीबोर्ड का जो की है वो आपको जेंटली, दैट मीन्स इजी में प्रेस करना है. आपको उस पर फोर्स के साथ प्रेस नहीं करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, यस. सो ऑलवेज प्रेस द की of the keyboard very gently and don't switch off the computer directly. So आपको कंप्यूटर का जो पावर बटन है डायरेक्ट ऑफ नहीं करना है. यूज द शट डाउन ऑप्शन. ओके, एंड यू नो शट डाउन ऑप्शन, वेयर इज शट डाउन ऑप्शन इज लोकेटेड ऑन स्टार्ट बटन. यस स्टूडेंट, एंड डोंट कीप इटेबल और वाटर. आपको खाने और पीने की जो है चीजें कंप्यूटर के पास नहीं रखनी चाहिए. ओके, यस. सो डोंट कीप इटेबल एंड और वाटर नियर द कंप्यूटर. ओके, एंड यू नो स्टूडेंट, कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस. सो यू नो कंप्यूटर हैव मेनी वायर. ओके, सो डोंट टच द एनी वायर. यस स्टूडेंट, आपको कोई भी जो है वायर मीन्स जो है तार होता है, तार आपको नहीं छूनी है. डोंट टच द एनी वायर. ओके, ऑफ द कंप्यूटर एंड कीप द कंप्यूटर अवे फ्रॉम डस्ट. ओके, और स्टूडेंट कंप्यूटर को डस्ट दैट मीन्स धूल, गंदगी, ठीक है, इससे हमें जो है दूर रखनी है. तो सो कीप द कंप्यूटर अवे फ्रॉम डस्ट. And always keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Yes student. So mouse को हमेशा किस पे रख के यूज करना है? माउस पैड पे रख के यूज करना है. So that means always keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Okay. So this all guideline use. I hope that you should always follow while working in the computer lab. Okay students, so in the next class we will discuss about the question answer. Yes, so you are ready for the write down the question answer. Okay student, so thanks and wait for the next class. Thank you.